Hey guys, it's Kamrin and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do what I eat in a week. I'm down to a 1300 calorie diet. Before anyone like freaks about that, the average maintenance diet for a female is 1600 calories. So I am at a decent deficit to lose about a pound per week. I do track everything in MyFitnessPal. Today I am training with my trainer, so I don't like to eat a whole lot before, so I'm just gonna have one of the little applesauce things that I showed you guys in my grocery haul. They're only, I believe, 45 calories. They're a great little snack and it's good for me to have like something in my system before I go train with my trainer. It's 9:35 and I have to train with him at 10 and I'm literally exhausted. Yay for me! Alright, I'm back. I have finished working out. I'm probably going to just have some oatmeal, raisins, and probably banana stick. These are old-fashioned steel-cut oats. These are amazing because they really clear out your system. Raisins. Agave. I guess like the biggest thing about making sure that you're staying at your 1300 calories, which is where I feel like people go wrong because they think like, oh, this is healthy. I mean, I used to do it too. Oh, this is healthy. I'm just gonna have like 2 whole bowls of oatmeal. In terms of like, if you were going to do like a weight gain, like you wanted to do a healthy weight gain, then obviously eating lots of healthy foods like this and a large amount is exactly what you want to do. But in terms of weight loss, I feel like it's really important to measure out everything. My scale, I know this is like doing the most, but I used to like literally make fun of people that did this kind of stuff, but here I am doing it. Yeah, super quick, easy meal. I'm gonna measure this out and we're gonna have breakfast. If you want your oatmeal to taste amazing, you need to put a little bit of some creamer in it. It's only 25 calories for 1 tablespoon, which is really all you need. So yummy, I'm excited. Are you okay? All right, hey guys, I am filming on my phone because we are actually out taking photos right now. It's like 5 o'clock. I haven't even gotten to have lunch because I had to upload a Princess Polly story haul on Instagram. So I was basically doing like a whole video. So from like 1 to 3, I was uploading that. Then we had to rush to go take photos because I need to get pictures done for Instagram today. So I have not eaten since breakfast. This is not normal for me typically on, what a great way to start the vlog. Typically on days where I'm home, I eat like I'm supposed to. I had like a little handful of almonds. Victor's in Publix right now getting me flowers because I need this for this photo. Victor to the rescue. The only way you should see a man coming to you with flowers. Bad bitch.
Only if they knew.
What? No. Dumb. We're back home. I'm going to make chana masala and basmati rice and vegan chicken. It's a really simple meal. This is vegan chicken. I cooked it with red onions and lemon pepper, complete seasoning, and lime. And then that's the little chana masala thing. This is a really low calorie meal and it's yummy. Because I'm in such a major calorie deficit for today, I'm gonna treat myself and I'm gonna have cereal. So probably something really sugary and sweet because I'm still hungry and today I can do it. I mean, obviously I could do it any day if I wanted to, but I'm saying like mentally, I'm a little bit more okay with doing it today. You need to get out from underneath there. Messing with my clothes. Good morning, everybody. It is almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. For breakfast today, we're keeping it super simple. These are the bagel thins. They're only 110 calories for one. And We have our vegan cream cheese. I do not like this cream cheese. I prefer the Kite Hill cream cheese. This one, they make it with coconut cream and you can taste the coconut in it. Like, I don't want to be having cream cheese with coconut, but I have it, might as well use it. I'm not gonna waste it because I think it was like $7, so I will happily eat it. We're going to have the rest of this banana, some peanut butter. I know I should be switching to better peanut butter. I don't like to waste food. There are starving people in this world, and we should not be wasting food. That's how Opal is trying to hide from Arlo right now. I will check back in with you guys for lunch where we're gonna make pizza. I have got my waist trainer on. I'm gonna go run some errands.
Made it clear what I feel for you when you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend.
Maybe I should take it out now. Why are you recording it? Are you ready? Because I'm ready. I think it's ready.
Dude, you've been watching it the whole time.
I'm so excited. Oh yeah.
I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind.
Okay, we are about to start making breakfast. I'm gonna use this tofu. Yes, I'm eating M&M's right now. It's actually 1 o'clock in the afternoon because I got distracted. So what I'm gonna make today for breakfast, I'm gonna make a tofu scramble. I'm gonna use some baby spinach, some mushrooms, some green pepper, and these Daya mozzarella shreds. Oh my god, guys, it's 6 o'clock. Why do I keep doing this? Every single day so far, I'm saying that I'm gonna end up eating lunch, and I don't end up eating lunch. I have been filming TikToks all day long, and I totally lost track of time. Jesus Christ. It's because I'm eating breakfast way too late. I'm waking up late. I'm off my sleep schedule, but we're still gonna make the jackfruit tacos, so I mean, it's the sloppy joes made with jackfruit. So let me clean up real quick. I'm gonna slip into something a little more comfortable and then we're gonna make food. All right, so the jackfruit's like literally the easiest thing to cook ever. All you have to do is just heat it up on the stove. I just toast this bread. This is the Nature's Life whole grain sugar-free bread. So this is only 50 calories per slice. This is really low calorie, and then I just use vegan mayonnaise. This is literally ready in like 5 minutes. Good morning, everybody. So today's Thursday. It's 7 o'clock in the morning, so I don't want to be too loud when everyone's still sleeping. We're going to the beach to shoot today. So I'm not gonna have a heavy meal because I have to shoot some pretty tight stuff, possibly some swimwear, so I don't want to eat anything that's gonna be too heavy on my stomach. So I'm just having the little applesauce and some vegan yogurt. That is it for breakfast. I have a lot to do today, so not so much chit chat. All right, we are on lunch break, so I'm having this salad from Walmart. This is Southwest style salad with chicken. Usually I don't eat chicken, but you gotta do what you gotta do, so. Yum yums. Got Chipotle today because we just finished shooting all day and I just got my period, so I don't feel like cooking. I'm super tired. I got a sofritas bowl with cauliflower rice, which is their new rice. It's only 40 calories. Fajitas, black beans, mild tomato, extra medium corn, sour cream cheese, and lettuce. Alright, good morning everybody. So yesterday, we skipped today. Today's Saturday. Yesterday was like the day one of my period, even though my period started the day before, but I ended up getting it like really bad, like cramps and everything yesterday. So I just took it kind of like as my off day. Like I usually when I get on the first day of my period, I just like to eat whatever I want. And typically one day throughout the week, I try to just be chill, like not even worry about the calories or anything, just eat what I always end up eating what I want, but like I don't sit there and log everything that day. Just to recap of what I ate, I literally had a big bowl of the spinach tortellini pasta. Loved it. It was amazing. I think I had like 6 insomnia cookies and I had like 3 applesauce pouches. So my diet, it was kind of like all over the place. It was not a really good day of eating. So today is Saturday. And once again, my sleeping schedule is completely off. So it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I guess I've been unconsciously intermittent fasting. This is crooked. That's really how I met you. You had this hoodie on. You did it? Oh, it was black. Arlo's gonna attack. Attack. So, I made the hash browns. I did 1.5 servings of hash browns, so it's only like 120 calories. And then I had a bagel thin. This is gonna keep me full because it's basically just carbs. And we love that. Breakfast. Alright, this is our sweet potato bowl. It looks so yummy. That was so good. I will leave the link for this down in the description box down below. It's only 356 calories and I am like beyond full right now, so. This is what I made for dinner. It's super simple. I just used the little heat up pouch garden vegetable rice. I only coated the bottom of it. I didn't put that much rice. Then I used the little freezer bag veggies and I cooked some shrimp, just lemon, pepper, garlic, and salt. It took like 5 minutes to make because I am starving. Good morning, everybody. Today's the last day of what I eat in a week. I'm having literally the same exact oatmeal breakfast I had. It tastes like a dessert. Sundays are like I try to relax day. Typically I don't end up, but I try to. So we'll see what today holds.
The Reverend Lovecraft? The Reverend Lovecraft is on a holy mission. Good evening.
Ugh, I'm so excited. My blender finally came. Damn, this bitch is huge. This is the problem with having pets. She's gone. In the box. Excuse me. What are you doing? Why are you like that? She loves boxes. Blender! You can't be in the box. Isn't she the cutest cat you've ever seen? There's nobody cuter. Look at that face, even though she's so not a cuddle. Right here, look, here's your box. I look like a homeless woman today, and I am okay with that. I'm just gonna make a pineapple and strawberry smoothie with some spinach, vanilla almond milk, and my Oatly creamer, which Opal knocked the top off of it, and now it's under the fridge, and I can't get access to it, so. Alright, this is my 5-year-old child meal. Literally, I feel like a little kid when I eat this stuff. This is the chicken nuggets that I showed you guys in my grocery haul. And I'm having some peas and some vegan mayo chup while I actually edit a video that's going to be going up today. Super simple, really yummy meal that kind of feels a little bit like a cheat meal. It's not very healthy, but it is low calorie.
Human beings are magical creatures. We can see what doesn't exist and choose to rise above what is. Unlike any other, humans can feel without having to have actually felt.